Hey guys, I'm Anand, your tech guy from Tech Store, and in this video, I'm going to be showing you the latest HP Omen 15 series of HP laptops. This is the 2021 variant. It has a Ryzen 5 4000 series or an Intel i5 10th generation or an Intel i7 10th generation. All of them will look absolutely the same. And also the process to upgrade the RAM, put a new SSD, replacing the battery, and do everything that you can do after opening the base will also remain the same. So let's do it. The top panel here is having a Omen etched, laser etched onto the top panel, and it has this very strange looking glass, multicolored glass here, and the Omen logo is etched just below this. There is no HP branding whatsoever on the top panel over here. Looks very elegant, grey matte finish. The hinges are over here. Even they have the same matte finish. You'll feel a magnetic force when you will want to open and close. The magnetic locks are over here. Once you open it, you will see a three-sided nano bezel and a webcam facing with a dual array microphone. You'll see a full HD IPS panel screen, 300 nits for this particular screen, and front-firing Bang & Olufsen speakers. The keyboard is fantastic. The only odd thing is that the up and down keys are not just below the enter keys. Generally, they are below the enter keys. So when you're working, it might be a little odd. It is on the right side near the numlock. There is absolutely no numlock pad here, and the power button also is placed very differently inside the keyboard on one of the keys here. So generally the power button is on the end, topmost rightmost end, or on the leftmost, but here it is somewhere in the center. So this, when you're pressing onto the F12 or F11, you might just erroneously press the power button and it might go into a standby mode. The key travel is very good. The keyboard quality is fantastic actually. The touchpad here is a rectangular large size unipad. The O15 is etched very nicely. Again here there is absolutely no HP branding. You will have the Omen branding over here, and the tilt is 0 to 180 degree. It tilts almost 0 to 180 degrees, as you can see. On the left side, you'll have the charging pin connector and charging pin indicator. You have Ethernet port, you have USB 3.0 port, HDMI port, and headphone and mic combi, and a memory card reader here. And the speaker grill is over here also on the left. On the front, there are no IOs whatsoever. On the right again, you have speaker grill, you have a C-type port, you have a display port. That's a very good thing to have. And two USB 2.0 ports. So you can literally have three displays connected, one through the display port, another through the HDMI, and another through the C-type display port. On the rear, you have the heating vent area, very nicely designed. The display panel does not block the vents here. We found the laptop to be the coolest at this point of time in the series of laptops that we have reviewed. The most thermally balanced laptop in this segment. Even the base here is having a good amount of perforated area for dissipation of heat. Now let's check if the laptop opens with a one-hand operation. Fantastic. As you can see, without any stuttering whatsoever, the laptop is opening, and despite the magnetic force over here because of the magnetic locking that HP has integrated, it does open very comfortably. So full marks on that. So this is a video shot of the web camera of the HP Omen 15, the 2021 variant, and I can tell you it is one of the best cameras that is there in the market right now in the gaming series laptops, and it is a dual array microphone. The audio quality is also fantastic, so full marks on the web camera. So let's check the audio quality of the HP Omen. HP boasts of a Bang & Olufsen rating on this particular laptop. Let's check it out. The audio quality is fantastic. I have not come across a better speaker in the gaming series of laptops. So full marks on the audio quality. It's having a very good bass, not tinny at all. The loudness also is very good. So full marks on the speaker for the HP Omen. First thing first, let's flip the laptop and you'll see all these screws 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Remember, the screws over here are longer in length and the ones here are shorter, so don't mix them up, keep them separately. Take a triangular plier like this and start protruding on the sides here very gently. Run it down through the bottom here and the base will very comfortably give away. This is the inners of the HP Omen 2021 series. You have the SSD bay area over here, two M.2 SSDs you can install here. This is the battery, this is the RAM bay area, nicely designed heatsink, dual fan system. So let's start with the battery here. Remove the battery screws. There is a screw over here, so we need to remove the SSD. Remove this screw over here, remove the notch connecting to the motherboard. All the battery screws are out, and if you want to replace the battery, this is the way you do it. The battery part code is SD03XL. This is the battery you need to buy if you want to replace the battery. Coming to the RAM area, there are two RAM slots, so the total RAM upgradability is up to 32 GB, 16 plus 16, 3200 MHz DDR4 low voltage. Just need to use your two thumb fingers and remove the RAM here, and take a similar RAM like this and you can insert on either of the slots like this. Just press it like this and tap it. Both the notches will hold on to the RAM. This is the Wi-Fi chip here. Coming to the part where the NVMe SSD is, there are two SSD bays here. Both support M.2 NVMe. So you need to remove the way we have removed it now. This is the SSD that is there at this point of time, which is stuck to the sink. Very thoughtful of HP to have given the sink along with it. So it's a NVMe SSD that HP gives along with the Omen laptops. All the Omen laptops have SSD only. There's no possibility of putting a hard drive per se. So 1 terabyte here and 1 terabyte over here. Total upgradability is up to 2 terabyte. So take a SSD like this and put in like this. Need to put in the sink. Just check the sink is exactly over this particular hole and you can put it back. So very simple, straightforward way to replace the SSD. The same exists over here too. You can just take another SSD like this. You need to remove this wrapper over here. The part which does not come with SSD, which is a free bay, has to have this wrapper removed, which has the silica paste here. So the cooling happens, and you can just insert the SSD like this and fit over here like this. In another video, we will show you how to completely replace the keyboard as well as the display panel. This is the motherboard. If you want to remove the VGA cable, this is the display cable connecting to the screen. This is the keyboard cable. This is the touchpad cable. And this is the backlit keyboard cable. Let's put the battery back inside. This is where the speaker is. One speaker is connected over here and another speaker is over here. They are connected by a wiring inside. Just need to remove these two speakers if you want to replace the speaker. This is the DC jack. In a scenario your DC jack has gone bad, the charging pin connector, this part has to be replaced. You just pluck it out and you can remove it. So let's put it back. Start from this side. Slowly go up the hinges area. Take the longer screws. So this, my friends, was a video showing you the review as well as the disassembly process of the HP Omen 15. This is 2021 variant with the Ryzen 5 or the Intel variants. The process to basically upgrade will remain the same. The best part about this laptop is the speaker quality and the webcam quality. We were literally blown away with the quality that HP has integrated this price point. The Ryzen 5 variant starts from around 75,000 here in India up to 1,25,000, 1,35,000 rupees for the RTX Intel i5 variants. The screen is a full HD IPS panel with very wide viewing angles and it has 300 nits value on this particular screen. The battery backup is somewhere around 3 to 4 hours on full usage. It comes preloaded with a 1650 Ti, the Ryzen 5 variants, and goes up to the RTX variants here. Thanks a lot for watching, guys, and do not leave suggestions and comments, and do not forget to subscribe to us and hit that bell icon. Thank you so much.